Okay, so let's practice creating our own rhythms. So here's the first part. We have three different options. We have our quarter note, which is one beat, our quarter rest, which is one beat of silence, and our eighth note pairs, which is also one beat. Each of these squares is a beat. So a quarter note would fit in one of the squares. A quarter rest would fit in another square. And an eighth note pair would fit in one square. So I'll go through my rhythm composition right now. So you're going to use the Draw It tool in Nearpod to write your rhythm in these boxes. My first rhythm, I think I want a quarter note, so I'm going to draw a quarter note. Remember, quarter notes are filled in, so you have to fill in your quarter note and it has one stem come up. In my second box, I think I want another quarter note, so I'll draw that in there. Make sure you draw each of the notes inside of its box so that I know where it's supposed to be. In the third box, I think I want an eighth note pair, so I need two note heads. 1, 2, and then I need to draw the stems that go around them. In my fourth box, I think I also want an eighth note pair. In my in my second measure, I think I'm going to start with a quarter rest. So to do that, here's how you're going to draw that. You're going to draw a Z on top and then a C on the bottom. In my second box, I think I want a quarter note, so I'll draw a quarter note right there. Make sure it's filled in. Don't leave it empty. In my third box, I think I'm going to have an eighth note pair. Make sure you color all of it in. And then in my last box, I think I'm going to have another quarter rest. So my rhythm will sound like ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti. Now after you create your own rhythm, if you want to change it because you don't like something, you're going to take the eraser tool and just erase the one note or the two notes that you want to change. Don't erase the whole thing and start over because that'll take a lot of time. Make sure you complete both of the measures of your rhythm composition and then make sure to press submit so that I can see your rhythm.